In this video, we'll go over the steps to join a Linux Ubuntu machine to Active Directory so that users can authenticate with their on-premise AD credentials and access domain resources. To make this connection, you need the AD Bridge portal up and running. Please see this video if you haven't done that already. Here are the steps we'll go through. If you have a self-signed certificate, we'll install that on the Ubuntu VM, then we'll install the AD Bridge agent and see the machine in Active Directory and in the AD Bridge portal. We'll add the Linux device in the AD Bridge Portal Administration tab. And finally, we'll SSH into the Ubuntu VM using AD credentials. There are 3 prerequisites for this setup. First is that you have an Active Directory domain. For this setup, my domain is mica.local. Of course, yours will be different. Then you also need the AD Bridge portal up and running and an Ubuntu 2204 VM for connecting to AD. We'll start by installing the self-signed root CA certificate onto the Ubuntu VM and then install the AD Bridge agent. SSH into your Ubuntu VM and create a directory named cert. Copy the root CA file onto your Ubuntu VM. This file was created during the AD Bridge portal installation, or you may already have your own. Then proceed with the steps to install the certificate. A text file should have been included with this video so that you can copy and paste the commands. Please let us know if you do not have it. Additionally, I'll show you the exact steps in this video. Okay, we're now ready to install the AD Bridge agent onto the Ubuntu VM. Please copy over the tar file and follow the instructions on screen and in the video. You can copy and paste from the text file. With Linux, there are 4 installation options which I'll explain here. You can join the agent to Active Directory, join it to the Cloud Gateway, join it to both the Cloud Gateway, and also create a computer object in AD. Finally, you can just install the agent but not join it to anything if you are setting up disk imaging or cloning VMs where you will register them later on. For this setup, I'll select H, which is both adding it to the Cloud Gateway and to AD. Please enter your Cloud Gateway URL and domain information when prompted. Now that the installation is completed, log into your Active Directory domain and look for your Ubuntu VM in the computers container using the Active Directory users and computers MMC snap-in. Additionally, log into the AD Bridge portal to the Devices tab and see your Ubuntu VM there as well. Now, I've created a user in Active Directory that is a normal user in the AD domain. In a minute, we'll SSH into our Ubuntu VM as this AD user. But first, please log into the AD Bridge portal and go to the Administration tab. Select on Roles and create a new role named ADB role. In this role, for the role permission, unselect the other roles and select View Agent under the Full Agent control. Next, click on the views and create a new view named ADB View. Select on Agents and add your Ubuntu VM. Click on Assignments, create a new assignment named ADB Assignment. Then include the ADB role and the ADB view. Include an AD user or group that you want to be able to log into your Ubuntu VM using AD credentials. Go back to a command prompt and we'll SSH into our Ubuntu VM as the AD user. Please note the structure of the login. If you set up DNS for that VM, you can replace the IP address with the host name. And now we're logged into the Ubuntu VM using Active Directory credentials. In summary, we joined an Ubuntu VM to Active Directory so that these Linux users can now log in with AD credentials. Please see our other videos to join Mac OS and Windows machines, authenticate with Microsoft Entra and other identity and access management systems, as well as learn how to manage, secure, and audit these machines with policies. For more information, please visit us at www.fullarmor.com, or if you need help, please reach out to us at sales@fullarmor.com.